Geno Perez Adventures. I'm still Geno, still my adventures. We kind of got a strange one today. Got a really beautiful, really big house, but I can't get in. So I'm going to just show you what we have from the outside, and it's pretty much drop dead gorgeous, and it cost somebody a lot of freaking money to build it. So that being said, let's look at it. So here's the gate and the entrance. It's got a really nice placawea down to the house. And a gorgeous view. And there isn't any place. I don't know if this is an outdoor kitchen or there's a, it could be the outdoor kitchen, barbecue area. I'm not sure since I haven't been down there. That's pretty nice. Wraparound porch. You see the secondary roof on top. I'm sure they've got a courtyard in the middle, and that keeps the rain from coming in, but it also lets the hot air rise and pull cool air in through the bottom. It's a really great design. I'm not even sure where the front door is, but I think that's it down there. Let's see, let me zoom in. Pretty sure that's it down there. But anyway, you see what I'm talking about on the secondary roof? Pretty cool. And then this is a barbecue place, or yeah, you can kind of see it from here where it's a barbecue place. And it's really awesome. We're about 15 minutes from Valle de San Jose, back up in the hills. Just a dirt road to get here, but it's in good shape. And this is on 1 hectarea. So yeah, check that view out. So there you go. I'm sorry I didn't get in it, but if any of you are really interested in it, I'll call the guy and set up a time and do a walkthrough inside. I got some really old trees here. Got some bamboo here. And it's a pretty nice place all in all. The gate is awesome. I mean, they spent enough on the gate to build another house. The flag of Colombia. So there you go. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If nothing changes the first day of the rest of your life. Come on, guys. Come on down. You'll enjoy it if you ever get here. So, it's the first day of the rest of your life. If nothing changes, nothing's going to change. Thanks. Sorry it's a shorty, but too bad.